Hey everybody, this is Jeff from Robotics, and this is vlog number 8. And this is just going to be a short one today. Something occurred to me while I was working on my projects that in my first vlog, I gave you the tour of my shop, which you can see behind me here. And I decided that really that's not a very honest tour. So this is actually going to be part 2 of that tour. And what you saw earlier was when I staged everything and cleaned it all up, made it look real nice, like I'm going to expect a visitor or something. But I wanted to show you what my shop actually looks like when I'm in the middle of a project. So right now, as I've talked about before, I'm in the middle of my Halloween project. I'm working on a brain in the jar. So I'll give you a quick preview of that during this little tour, and I'll show you what my shop really looks like if you came by. So here we are. I've got a whole bunch of stuff on my workbench. It's in a complete state of disarray. You can see that I have just parts laying all over the place here. My laptop, I'm working on some Arduino code. I've got my hot glue gun and a torch. Yeah, here we go. And then this is the table that I usually shoot at. I've got pieces there. And we'll come around over here. I've got just stuff laying all over the place. My spray paint's kind of over here. That's not where I paint in the garage. Got some stuff on my spare bed here. There's my tripod. I got my computer. I got Tool playing right now on YouTube. It kind of keeps my mind occupied or whatever. So I've got a whole bunch of stuff just laying around. And here is what I have so far with my brain in the jar. So I'll explain all this in the actual video, but this is going to be most of the container here. I'm still working on the top. That's just a mounting piece. And I've got a piece printed out here I'm going to be using. And as for the brain itself, let me just come over here. Whoops, almost knocked something important off of there. And here's the brain. So let me go ahead and move this tube here. It's kind of hard to see when it's not all in it, so this is just being mounted. But if I take this and put it kind of like so, you can kind of get the idea of what it's going to look like. I'm going to lower the brain quite a bit here, but this is just to mount it and work on the brain separately. So it's going to kind of be something like that. And I've got a whole bunch of electronic gizmos going in there. It's going to be a cool project, guys. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you see that project when it comes out. That should be coming out probably in another week, maybe a little longer. It will be out before Halloween, but I've devoted quite a bit of time to getting that finished because I'm really excited about doing all this. So anyway, guys, that is the honest shop tour. Here, this is the state of my 3D printer right now. I've got parts laying on that because I'm working on something on my other computer. So I've got a whole bunch of stuff going on. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. I don't always keep everything as clean as I'd like it to. But, you know, when I'm in the middle of a project, it's kind of hard to pick everything up, clean it, and then work on something at the end of the day, clean it all up again, and then start over the next day. It's easier when nobody else is down here but me, just to, you know, leave everything where it is. And then when I'm done with the project, I clean everything just like you saw. I stage it all up really nice, and then it's time to move on to the next project. All right, guys, I hope you like that more honest tour of my work area here, and I hope you guys are interested in my new project coming out. Please subscribe if you haven't already. If you like my vlogs, give me a thumbs up. If you think I suck at vlogging, give me a thumbs down. Either way, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and I will see you next time.